Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Jason, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a crash zoom effect in After Effects. Starting off, I'm gonna go right here, right click and go to new and make our new adjustment layer right here. Make sure it's above our clip. Then I'm gonna go right here on our effects and presets tab. I'm gonna add S_blur mode curves, drag it in right there. I'm gonna go right here to warp X and warp Y and put both on reflect. I'm gonna go over here to Z-Dist, open up a timeline, push our keyframe to the beginning on our first keyframe right here. I'm going to lower it from 1 to 0.32, and actually don't put it at the start, sorry about that, put it at 13F or the 13th frame, since we're going to actually have our effect kind of be later in the clip. So I'm going to go right here to the 20th frame and just put it at 1. So I'm going to go right here, highlight both of our keyframes, ease it just to make sure that our keyframes are actually coming out nice and smooth, nothing's really messing up. And apart from that, I'm gonna go over here to the blur mode curves and close out the menu. Next effect I'm gonna add is gonna be optics compensation. Enable reverse lens distort. I'm gonna go to the 13th frame, create our first keyframe, then we'll go to the 15th frame and we're gonna put it all the way to 48 and go to the 20th frame and put it at 0. Highlight all of our clips, F9 and ease it, close out our menu right there. Then for the next effect I'm gonna add is S_shake. Make sure to enable motion blur right here. Open up our timeline, go to the 18th frame right here. This is where our shake effect is gonna happen. It's gonna be actually like kind of like a handheld kind of effect, so it kind of seems like someone's actually zooming out, and it's not gonna be more of a still clip or still shot at the end once after the crash zoom happens. You're gonna go to your amplitude right here, and you're gonna create a first keyframe at the 18th frame, and you're gonna bring it down from 1 to 0.26 and go to the 24th frame right here. Then we're gonna bring our amplitude to 1.18. It's gonna start shaking our clip right here. Then I'm gonna go right here to the start of our clip all the way over here. Then we're gonna put our frequency at 0.40. Click on the time watch to create our first keyframe. Then we're gonna head towards right here, and we're gonna put it at 0.90, and we're gonna push it towards the end. I'm gonna zoom out, highlight all of our keyframes right here, F9 to ease it, and you can see right here, it zooms out right here, and it's giving a nice handheld effect right here. But you can see how it's kind of clipping right here. So if I were you, you can obviously go to our S_blur mode curves and just bring in the Z-Dist a bit, so about right there to 0.96. Maybe bring it in a bit more so we can get rid of the clipping, about right there. And actually before I move on, I forgot to include this, but at the beginning of our clip right here, just make sure to put a cursor right here so it's more focused on his face. Next, I'm gonna close that out right here, and then I'm gonna add radial blur, drag it in and put our type on zoom and our best quality on high. I'm gonna go to our 13th frame route right here. So this is where our clip is starting to zoom out, and we're gonna put it at 0 and go to the 18th frame right here, and then we're gonna put it at 33, and then I'm gonna go to the 24th frame right here and bring it down to 0. Open up our timeline, highlight our keyframes and ease them. Once after that, I'm gonna close that out, and we're gonna close out our timeline right here. Save our project so we don't lose none of our progress. And apart from that, that is how you create a crash zoom effect in After Effects. If you did like this video, or you just learned something new, I would appreciate if you were to check out the channel or subscribe. Go ahead and like and comment if you really want to. And apart from that, guys, keep on staying creative, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.